In this video, we will learn how to add and subtract with mixed numbers. You may remember from before that mixed numbers are a way of representing a quantity that is made up of both a whole number and a fraction. For example, 3½ is a mixed number. It's 3 whole units plus 1/2 unit. Mixed numbers are really useful in all sorts of maths and real-world scenarios, from measuring ingredients for cooking or for calculating lengths and distances. One of the key things to learn with mixed numbers is how to add and subtract them. When we add two mixed numbers, you first add the whole number parts together, then you add the fraction parts. Remember, when adding fractional parts, the denominators must be the same. Let's try an example. Say we have 2 3/4 plus 1½ We start by adding the whole number parts, so 2 plus 1, which equals 3. Then we add the fraction parts, 3/4 plus 1/2, which is the same as 2/4. What is 3/4 plus 2/4? It's 5/4, which, as a mixed number, will be 1¼ making our final answer 4¼ Now, subtracting works in a similar way. You subtract the whole number parts, then subtract the fraction parts. Again, convert any improper fractions to mixed numbers as your final answer. Let's have a go at 6 3/10 minus 4 2/10. This time the denominators are the same, so we don't need to convert it. First, subtract the whole numbers, 6 minus 4, which is 2. Then subtract the fraction parts, 3/10 minus 2/10, which is 1/10. The final answer is 2 1/10. Alright, now it's time to put your skills to the test. Grab a pen and paper and let's work through one more problem. Try doing 17 2/3 minus 14 2/6 plus 4 1/3. You're going to need to break this up into 2 steps. Start with the first 2 terms in the problem, 17 2/3 and 14 2/6. Convert the fractions to have a common denominator. 2/3 equals 4/6 and 2/6 equals 2/6. So the mixed numbers become 17 4/6 minus 14 2/6. Now we can subtract the whole numbers and fractions separately like before. 17 minus 14 is 3. And the fractions 4/6 minus 2/6 is 2/6. The result of the first step is 3 2/6. Now we can add the previous result, 3 2/6, with 4 1/3. Again, we need a common denominator, so 1/3 equals 2/6. So the mixed numbers become 3 2/6 plus 4 2/6. Add the whole number parts and fractions separately. 3 plus 4 equals 7 2/6, plus 2/6 is 4/6. This can be simplified to 2/3. The final result is 7 2/3. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more maths videos from FuseSchool.